Morning, guys. God, I got a stinking cold. I was proper bad yesterday. It was yesterday or the day before. I just couldn't move. Got in the lounge and my legs were hurting. I was freezing cold in bed. But apparently the temperature was way too high. Let's say that. But I was still shivering all night. So I haven't really done anything. I've done a little bit of wire management here, my computer setup, because it needed doing. It still needs work doing, so I'll show you what I've got so far. So obviously you've got my messy desk, but let me pull it out. Please excuse the mess because I haven't hoovered up yet. There's hardly any wires there now. So the wires that's coming out of my mixer, you got one from a microphone, which is that on there. Headphones, which is that on there. Veg cheap headphones. And then you got the N in the out of the for the computer. And then you got speakers. That's my computer. It still needs a little bit of sorting out, but it's getting there. I bought these boxes to go around and do what he's doing. So slit a little bit there for the wires of the TV. And then I've got more wires here. So basically I've put through, zoomed in way too far, 2 Cat 5 cables, Ethernet cables, through that on there to go all the way along to go down there when I get my other computer. That on there goes down to there, down for my monitor. I've got this wire here that I need to do. That runs up to my wireless CCTV camera. And that goes to a box right there. So I've marked them all. Well, most of them. I've got TV, Wi-Fi. That one there goes up and around for that extension there. There's not high currents running through these, so you know. These two are for the CCTV. That one is for a monitor. That one runs through. I think that one's for the monitor. Could be that one actually. I think that one's for the monitor because that runs through up and in. Then you get Wi-Fi. And down here, behind, I'm going for the red theme type thing. So you got your power cable and power cable and HD cable. You got another one that runs down there. So basically it comes out here, and that's for my keyboard and my mouse, which runs all the way along, down and around past the shredder. So I just got to do a bit of cable management on this one here. I've only got a little bit of this stuff left, so I need to buy some more. Not cheap though, it's £7 for 3 meters, so it's not the cheapest of stuff. But this cable here, I've just basically tied up and gone in and around. Printer, don't need cables because it's wireless. So basically what I'm going to do is, for here, I'm going to be getting another computer. I'm going to be having this one for the recording and this one what I get for the gaming. The whole reason these two monitors here, one's lower, was because I wanted that one sideways so I could have it that way, but I didn't like it. So when get around to it, I'm going to move it all and stuff and make it the same level as that one there. Then I'm probably going to get another monitor like that to put underneath this side. Of course, when I'm recording, I have that noise in the background. I know I do, and I don't know why. I think it could be because it's interfering. Something's interfering with the motherboard and stuff in there. But when I'm recording, what I see is basically like that. When I'm recording, and I play on that screen there, and whatever the OBS comes up on, either that one or that one, I basically, you know, watch it, see if it's recording fine and stuff. Let me quickly grab OBS up from that. Let me quickly get rid of that. So I don't know which one it's going to open up on. Right, it's opened up on that one there. So let me click monitor and I'll start recording. I've mapped that one there. Probably can't see it. I've mapped that one there for the record and to stop. So if I press record now, is it going to work? There. So basically what happens is this now has been set to record on this monitor, because you can see now all of this. So if I move it, you'll see it. See the whole thing move? So basically what I want to do is stop it, right click on monitor, go to properties, then basically what you got is you got monitor here. I don't know if you can see that. Got monitor, so you want to click down, I think it's 3, I'm not sure though. Then click OK. And then click the same button again, it's done, and now we're on this one here, as you can see. So whatever I do on this one here, you'll see I'll refresh my Facebook and stuff. I'll go onto my business page, you'll see all that. Make it bigger for you. So this is my business page. You can see all that. We like to support a lot of charities. If we can help, we will help if we can. So we're supporting Cleft Lip and Plate Association. So let me open that one up. I can stop recording now, I don't need to actually show you it like that, but that's basically what it is. Basically what I'll do is I'll stop this camera here now and I'll carry on recording through actual OBS and do it that way because it's going to be easier for you. So I'll see you in a sec. Hi guys, back again. I know you're going to have some weird noise, I still need to try and sort that out yet. So basically Clapper is when they have a problem with their face, stuff like that. We've supported this group or this charity in their raffle by giving them a free hire for their draw and stuff. So that's basically what it is. Bless them. It's not nice. Not nice at all. But we're supporting that. We like to try and support as many companies as we can when it comes to this sort of thing. So that's what we've done for them. We've got this one here as well. My partner's friends with her. Basically, this little boy here comes up with a load of lumps and whatnot. And I've given Lizzie, who's the mother, two like vouchers for two free hires. It's for a good cause. He needs to be sent over to America for the treatment, because our doctors over here won't touch him. As you can see, that's one of our vouchers there. Says this voucher entitles the holder to a 4-hour ball pool or bouncy castle hire. So basically, you can have any of our bouncy castles or ball pool for 4 hours free. This is a good cause as well. If you can give anything, please contact me and I'll send you a link. Let me go back and show you some others. Got another charity one here for Mel. It's for raising money for cancer research. My partner lost a dad last year due to cancer, so I've given them a voucher for a 4-hour free hire. People seem to think for us it's about the money. It's far from it when it comes to raising money for good causes. So there's ours there, the 4-hour inflatable hire. It's far from it, really is. If you can help any of these out, please do. We're also supporting this one as well. It's already been done. I've had the person already ring up for the free hire and stuff, and we've sorted all that out. I'm not quite sure how much they raised. I will get hold of Jessica there, find out how much they raised in the end. But I'm all for it. I'm not about the money. Not about the money at all. I gave out quite a few free hires as well, just to keep people interested and to entertain people. So yeah, basically, I'm keen on doing stuff for charity. I really am. I'm just, you can't put a price on stuff. So this is a festival we went to last year. I can't unmute it because it's a song and it will probably get muted if I play it. It's from Lay Black. Lay Black played the song. We've been invited back to this festival. It was a scorching hot day that day. It was absolutely freaking awesome. But yeah, sorry guys. if you can help out with the charities, if you if you got one in mind, I'm basically down in Oakhampton. I'm not going to travel too far to do stuff because that's just stupid. But this one's already been done. Cancer research, you can still raise money for that, I suppose, as well. Still need to raise money to get him sent over to America for special treatment. Doctors and stuff are all over there waiting for him, I think. And cleft lip and stuff, and plate and stuff like that. So please do. There's me and my partner. We were at a festival that day. We've actually just got another booking from Philippa. Lovely lady. She wanted to rebook us. She's rebooked us again. So we've got another event to go to. We've actually got quite a few events to go to that we did last year. So as you can see, it was a bit rainy that day, but it was good fun. I had a great time. That's what that matters. That's basically all I've got. I've got more games than that, but I've got Block Ball Pool with Air Jugglers, a 10 by 12 bounce castle, and a 15 by 11. So, but yeah, like I said, if you want to raise money or give what you can to any of these charities, please do get in touch. It's for a good cause. It really is. And everyone would be totally grateful for it. So, but thanks again anyway, guys. Again, if you do feel like you want to give anything, please just get in touch with me and we'll sort something out. So thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.